Doesn't look too bad back towards Robbinsville. It looks like it's just here. I'm gonna risk it. Maybe it'll blow over. If anything, I'm gonna get wet going through Tepoco, down past Tepoco, along the river. It always rains in that valley, but we'll see. Take our chances. But here we go. Deal's Gap store. I've seen a few vipers today. All right, Deal's Gap store. Hit that thumbs up button.